Hello ladies, how does my face look? How does my face look? I'm just getting right to the point. How does this look? Does my face look good? I mean, I do have lots of acne scars side. Okay, I do have, but you don't see it. So that's good, right? I do have some imperfections, but you don't see it. Keep watching. I got some deet for you. I have some IL Makiage, New York, all right? I said, oh, it's French, because you know, in our language, it's maquillage. But this is Arabic, El Makiage. So, but we have something in common because we pronounce it the same way in our language, you know? In the Haitian Creole language, you say maquillage. Same way. Anyway, so this is the package. It's beautiful, it's sexy. The name is cute. I love the name. All right, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna open this for the first time. Let's see how easy it is to open. Oh, boop. So this is what it came in. All right, it's in a black box. Ooh, sexy. I love black. Black is just so sexy. Look at this confetti. It's raining. Oh, so this is like really cute. So it takes a while to get the item out the package. All right, so here we go. So I have an invoice and I have the product and the pamphlet fell on the floor. The pamphlet is cute, but let's focus on what's in here because I want to get this on my face. All right, so this is the package. Really nice. I love the packaging. Do I need like a scissor to open it because I don't have a scissor next to me and I don't feel like stopping the taping, but there's like a little tape that's just holding the bottom and lower half and upper half together. All right, there's another piece on the other end. Oh, I got it. So this is how it looks when you open it. How cute is this? Now this does not look like my color from the start. But this is what I chose after I filled out a quick survey online on their website. Based on your answer, you get your color. Oh, is this just open? Child, I was done turning, so you just open it. Okay. So this is it. Woke up like this. My color is in 195. It doesn't look like my color. It looks a little lighter, guys. Based on the, oh, still too soon. Let's see. Let's just add it onto my skin here so you can see. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, I got a little nervous there, but okay, let me actually put it on my face, okay? Let me just, wait. All right, so let's put it on the face to see how it really looks. Okay, so when you go on their website, you have to fill out a survey, answer a few questions, and based on your answer, your number pops up. The color of your foundation will pop up. And then you order it. Okay. So this is it. Now I'm gonna apply to this. Let's see. All right, guys. So I applied this I applied maquillage on the face. It doesn't look like I have makeup. Wait, let me take this camera somewhere else because it doesn't look like I have makeup. Can't be that good. Wait a minute. I'm just like, whoa. So natural. What? Guys. Wait, let me put this on some more. Let me put some more on because right now I'm in my kitchen where the light is really good. Right. You see the lighting? So I'm gonna apply some more because I'm like, I don't need a lot. I don't like to use a lot. Yeah, it's a lash. Let me put this on my face because right now it looks like I don't have nothing on. So let's add some more. You don't need much. I don't want to spend a lot of makeup. Because I like the natural look. Nice. This looks happy. It's definitely a light coverage, not full coverage. That was for my eyelid. Smart. I have to go on my eyelid and I'm try to cover it as much as possible. And go with my fingers. Okay, actually good. My undertone. Nice. This is crazy. Why didn't have it? It has to look like hell that way. It was so much. So light. Let's go outside. Let's see what it looks like outside. Real light. That's exciting. Because I'm like, yo. See your face? It's crazy. It matches the tea. What? This is amazing, guys. Alright, so let's go back to this one. Because I just have to make sure that I try to blend as much as possible. You guys, I am a fan of this. Little out. Okay, little out. And maybe hit the streets. Let's see what we need to do. Right on back. After. But so far for the price, guys, right? So that's straight. You know, after some guys, you know, really, because I'm the first one. You see the blending, like skin. Right? And you? I didn't blend it. I'm going to go. I got blend it. We blend it. We get it in the creek. Wow. I'm going to go out. Come back. Alright. So I'm done applying the makeup and I love it. I absolutely love it. Again, this is, I just woke up like this, $195. It's on my face. If you're my skin complexion, you can give it a try. This is some good stuff. It's no joke, guys. You have to go on their website, fill out a survey, and based on your answers, your color come up, you order, it comes to your house really fast. Within a week, I got mines, and I believe you can try it out for free, and you still get a nice size. And if you don't want to try it out for free, you just want to buy it, it's still a reasonable price for. It's not even drugstore. It's online. So, wow.
A synthetic
yes, ladies, it is, I think, 10 hours later, and this is my face.
It's clean.
Okay, I have the IL Makiage on, number 195, and my face still looks very fresh. My oily spots are kicking in, my eyelids, but mind you, I didn't apply a primer. I didn't set it, so this still looks good, and I like it when my matte look gets a little dewy and it looks more natural and healthy. All right, so I love it, guys. It's a go. It's really a go. IL Makiage gets my stamp of approval. I love it. I will definitely continue to rock this foundation, and I'll continue to purchase it until the next big thing comes. Knock it out the shelf. But for now, it's really good. So if you're my complexion, $195 really blends extremely well down to the T. It's just gorgeous. Amazing.